about to go over what the big change was, or what I did for my tools on my bike, what I carry, my everyday carry on the bike, no matter what, no matter where I'm going. I'm going to have these tools with me, and show you what I took out and approximately what weight that was, and show you the new tool, which is not really a new tool. It is from Rally Raid, specifically for the T7. Stay tuned. All right, so I used to have all of this inside of my tool roll in my possibilities pouch. I stumbled across my Yamaha toolkit that came with the bike for the T7, and essentially it already came with all these things. So if you have a T7, you've probably seen this around. This is from Rally Raid. This was $70. It will remove your rear axle nut and do the front, and it's sturdy enough you can just use your foot and just torque that thing out, either the front or the rear axle. Believe it or not, these tools that I'm showing you here, other than this Rally Raid, but this stuff came with my bike. It comes with your T7 in that little pouch. You really don't need, I mean, in my opinion, you really don't need anything else. Like, if it's beyond this, if you think you're going to start taking apart your motor, I mean, we're riding a Yamaha. Like, it's freaking reliable. Of course, you got to take your obligatory zip ties just to strap things on, whatever might come off. I have 3 spoons. As you can see, I've had to use them. I have TUSK's 15, just over 15-inch tire iron. This helps with breaking the bead. All I have in here are rubber gloves. I like this mat. It's magnetic. I have a bead breaker and a complete tire inner tube repair kit, patches. This helps, trust me, when I was changing out tires and tubes. This grabs, you use this to hold to pull the valve stem through the rim. This will take off the valve. And here's an extra valve stem here, somewhere, and then this, there it is, it's right here. This will remove also this, or you can use this tool, but this is, I think it's a crucial part of tire kit. Little tire pressure gauge, extra hose. That's it, and obviously a pump. I've used this to put air back in my tires from 28 psi, but right back up to almost 38 psi at a gas station. And I carry a front 21-inch tube, which I can use on the back as well. But for longer rides, I do have this standing by. It's a rear tube. These rim savers, they just go inside of this little pouch. This is it right here. All really simple. That's it. That's all I carry. Very simple. Just try to keep it lightweight.